Buju Banton, Civillians PNP for a better Jamaica.
Yeah, my people don't know we have Buju Banton. I will show the people and I want them to say, hey, no, don't forget what the government leaders them are do too, over the years. No, don't forget. Remember, say, them lock up people for party in a corona. And when for them big JLP member get catch a party, right? Him get promoted and a tap on the back or a few pat on the back by Andrew Holness, right? Which is a big disrespect that to people. You know what I mean? Because what goes for the goose should also goes for the gander, right? So we know say a favoritism them people here, right? And we see how them give the tourists, them, the Caucasian people, them and Indians and other ethnic groups of people the privilege to roam around free, while us as Jamaican and mostly black people are of darker complexion, we all had to batty in. You know what I mean? So, don't forget it. Remember, and now that true Mark Golden White, them want to make it seems like him no competent, you know what I mean? As like, them want to make it, them are racist. JLP, them are racist. I'm sorry, some room green, but I paint it out as a win. Orange. See, 'cause orange always better than lime. Lime, I tell. Orange better than lime. Lime kill your nature. And anything green for the shower. That's why them name shower. Look at the signs and look at the time. You know what I mean? Say the PNP color are gold, orange, red. We have multi-colors. You get me within that same yellow, orange, and red. So green them stay over there, so blue them stay over there, so all of them colors they stay over there. So. But PNP I bring the gold because orange, gold, and yellow and red are closely related. So so when you talk about colors and what it represents, it go far and beyond what you're imagining. You get me I say? And then look there, it bring the gold because we get more gold in for come make we walk the streets of gold, milk and honey, the man that turn Jamaica in a heaven. Because white people has always been saviors of black people. We know say you have white people where like a lot of the missionary them where them infect the youth them are African, but we had a lot of white people who saved enough black people, right? Because we know enough black people go look even nanny work for go do work for wash, cook and clean for people, and enough black people hope them can get some white people who pay them good and everything there. And over the years, you have some white people who take care of some all type of people them take care of because them travel the most, right? And the fact that them travel the most, you have white people who love the Indians them. India, you have white people who love the Africans them. You have white people who love Jamaicans here more than anywhere else. So white people have been contributing a lot to poverty and for help lift people out of poverty. Them even themselves help abolish slavery, And even though they were the slave master, remember say them never do it by themselves. They work with other black people who sold out black people. You get what I'm saying? So we sell out to own and give them powers to abuse us. Because them couldn't do it without the help of other black people. So them just as guilty as we are. You know what I mean? But it's funny how JLP them now want have a problem with skin color of people because Joe Mark Golden is a threat to them. If become the prime minister and them have to go pay them price and the penalty of stealing, robbing from Bolt and robbing the economy. And, you know what I mean? But all along them never have no problem with it in a corona with the race of people. Them love when them come here and give them the privilege with them nah give us. So me I say, so that's the thing going. Remember, them no love dancehall, them no love music. JLP them love carnival. You know what I say? Soca them love. Them no love dancehall. So, Buju, I want the people them and say, yo, no, don't forget. Remember when them cut off Nzinga here, and every vlogger or baller say, Andrew, look, fix them police, them trim off the girl here and I tell all sort of lies and all sort of sitting. And before Andrew talk to the people, them him turn a blind eye and neglect the little Rasta girl with the police them lock up because them stop taxi and waste the passenger them time and the girl want go home or yard, them take the girl out of the taxi car station, go trim off her locks, abuse her without parents' consent. I tell you, Andrew not talk on no matter none at all. And then within that time, what Andrew got talk on, say him see girl a vibe, they have bars, say she tired of 9 to 5 work. When everybody on internet I say Andrew look on Nzinga. Andrew go look on this girl a man devil when nobody no see. I talk about say him see her on internet I ask him for who am a bar in our community because she tired of 9 to 5 work. Little young girl. So she tired of 9 to 5 work. You know what I say? So them man they support bar activities. You know, Bob Marley been a show and say, yo, I better smoke this than to go to your favorite bar. Cause man we smoke this, them reason a lot. And talk about a lot of positivity. You know what I mean? And them ban this 3 years while them legalize them alcoholic beverages. And man just a drop down and bust them head. See? And that is the result from drinking. Alright? So, yeah, no, don't forget. Oh, I'm out.
Tell me if you're not happy with the wages them giving. No, 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 no. Tell me if you're not happy with this high rise in crime. No, 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 no. Them thief every penny, them never left a dime. No, 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 no. Tell me are you gonna get up and run? No, 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 no. Tell me this. Don't you think say time come? Love, you know, make the right choice. Not for me, not for you, but for the future of our beloved nation. Love you all. No, no, no. Be brave enough to tell them time come. You hear me? Now this is Buju Banton reaching out to my beloved Jamaican people. The moment of decision is drawing nigh. And I want everyone to know that the decisions we make will only affect our children and the future of Jamaica. Make the right decision, make the right choice. Don't be intimidated. I love you all. Yeah, post it.